However, security guards in the locality that all the traffic lights are be going to operational in a day or two. I am happy to say that all traffic will now be diverted back to the
diverted back to the main road. Okay, this practice zone done, or practice zone 2 all have done. सभी ने किया है practice zone 2 को?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has done. Okay, so subject verb agreement we know. Now come to, if it is done, now come to practice zone 3. Okay, practice zone 3 में आओ. Aryan 2755. Aryan तो हमेशा ceiling बताएगा. Only ceiling will be visible and Aryan will not be there. He will be vanished from there. Only ceiling is visible. Shine 1527. Shine.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, shine page number 69. What is B part written? What is B part written?
The collection of books from the library are
invaluable. Now, better listen this thing. Question, you have to find out the error, then you have to rewrite the sentence also. तुम्हें rewrite the sentence means आपको sentence ये दोबारा से लिखना है. You have to rewrite it. ये नहीं करना कि this is mistake, ये mistake है, but you have to rewrite means आपको sentence में गलती देकर when you will find out the some error, then you will again rewrite it. Okay, दोबारा इसको लिखोगे and that should be correct one. Okay, जैसे the collection of books from the library are invaluable. So how many libraries are there? Only one library is there. तो आप क्या इसमें क्या mistake? R was there. So then subject and verb, as I told you, if subject is singular, then verb should be singular. If subject is plural, then verb should be plural. Mangoes, बहुत ज़्यादा mangoes हैं. Mangoes are in the basket. One mango is in the basket. Okay. So the collection of books from the library. How many libraries are there? Shine how?
one.
Then what should be what is the mistake? R is written instead of R. Is should be there. Okay. Then how you will rewrite it? कैसे लिखोगे shine इसको?
The collection of books from
the collection of books from the library is invaluable. Okay, जिसने नहीं किया है, please they do it. Okay, this is your today's homework. You have to send this to me under assignments tab. This is your today's homework. This is the collection of books from the library is invaluable. Okay. Now Akshay 1388. Akshay 1388.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Akshay B part. Sorry, C part.
The news about the fire in the factory are untrue.
Okay, what is the mistake?
The news about the fire in the factory is untrue.
Okay, very good.
मैम आरव पॉल के नाम से मैम ज्वाइन हुआ है.
Sorry, कौन?
मैम आरव पॉल के नाम से मैम कोई ज्वाइन हुआ है.
Sharna Paul will be there, I think.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, वही आरब, उसके brother का name, his brother's name is I think Arab Paul. Okay, the news about the fire in the factory is untrue. Okay, now see, sorry, D part Garv 2258. Garv 2258. D part को करो, जल्दी करो.
B part क्या है?
Beta, the collection of books from the library is invaluable. The news about the fire in the factory is invaluable. Yes. Garv, 2259, Garv.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Wait a minute, let Garv speak. Yes, Garv. Garv. Kya naam? Garv. Garv. Yes, you speak out.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम शर्नापोल मैम दूसरे फोन से मैम ये फोन में गेम खेल रहा है.
My God.
मैम ये मैम अपने मैम थम्स को हिला रहा है.
Wait a minute, who is this? Shranav? Shranav कर रहा है ऐसा?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों Shranav?
Ma'am.
No, ma'am. The concerts were about 3 hours long.
देखा Shranav? सी देखो कितने तुम्हारे क्लासमेट्स कितने अटेंटिव है. देखो पूरी नजर रखी है इन्होंने कि कौन क्या कर रहा है. सो सी हाउ मच अटेंटिव दे आर. पूरी नजर है. बेशक क्वेश्चन के ऊपर इनकी नजर.
फोन में मैम देखते देखते मैम पीछे भी देख रहा था.
अच्छा देखो बेशक क्वेश्चन पर इनकी नजर नहीं है, पर तुम्हारे ऊपर नजर है कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, कौन क्या कर रहा है. इसका इनको बिल्कुल पता है. देखो इसको, हाउ मच अटेंटिव. कितने अटेंटिव और कितने अलर्ट बच्चे हैं ये. पूरी नजर रखी कि वो ये कर रहा है, वो ये कर रहा है, वो ये कर रहा है. पूरी नजर की. अच्छा ऐसे कर रहा है, ऐसे कर रहा है, अभिमन्यु ऐसे कर रहा है. ओके क्वेश्चन पूछेगी मैम तो. और ऐसे अच्छे अच्छा इसके पीछे ये हो रहा है. ओके ओके. गर्व वॉज टेलिंग बी पार्ट. गर्व आज की डेट में सुनना है मैंने ये आंसर, कल नहीं सुनना है. बताओ.
The contracts were about 3 hours long.
The concern.
नंबर को
वेट अ मिनट, मैं स्टार्टिंग में पेज नंबर बता देती हूँ. प्लीज बीच में कोई इंटरप्ट नहीं करेगा. पढ़ाते पढ़ाते आप बीच में बोलते मैडम ये क्या, अदरवाइज आई हैव टू म्यूट यू ऑल. आप डिस्टर्ब मत किया करो क्लास में, मैं खुद बता दिया करूंगी. पेज नंबर 69. नाउ नोबडी विल इंटरप्ट. ओके. द कंसर्ट वर अबाउट 3 hours long. अब देखो कंसर्ट is a singular subject. Okay, so the concert is about, okay sorry, what is written तो आप was लिखोगे. The concert was about 3 hours long. Now come to page number 70. Shivam Singh Rajput, page number 70. Sharana, sit properly. Shivam Singh Rajput, always sitting in dark. Yes, Shivam Singh Rajput. बेटा E part. Arya Paul, sorry, Shranav Paul E. Shranav E part.
Yes, ma'am. The elephants come to drink water at this lake. They sometimes go to the pool inside the sanctuary.
वेट अ मिनट. शनाव बताओ हम किस क्वेश्चन में हैं. पता ही नहीं है. Which question is going on? शनाव कौन सी क्वेश्चन में? नहीं पता. थे नहीं क्लास में, देखना ही नहीं है. यहाँ देख रहे हैं, वहां देख रहे हैं. वेरी गुड. प्रैक्टिस जोन 1 में हम. वेरी गुड. प्रत्युष 1242 E part.
Yes, ma'am. Lion, tiger, cats, cheetahs, and jaguars all belongs to the cat family. Lion, tigers, cats, cheetahs, and jaguars all belong to the cat family.
शरणव got it? लगा पता? शरण लगा पता तुम्हें?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
कहाँ पर थे, तुम्हें लगा पता? ठीक है. और इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इसमें था बेटा ऑल बिलोंग. अब देखो बेटा लायंस, ओके, लायन नहीं करना. लायंस, टाइगर्स, cats, cheetahs, it is written they are plural in number, so we are not supposed to add s and es with first form of verb. Okay, belong के साथ हम s नहीं लगाएंगे, हम belongs नहीं करेंगे. Instead of belongs we will use belong. Okay, तो आपने belongs आपकी mistake है, आपने belongs की जगह क्या लिखा? Belong. Okay, then Arushi 2460. Next,
Yes,
F
ma'am.
part. F part.
He asked me if either of the applicants were suitable.
Okay, what is the mistake? You have not done, Arushi?
Yes, ma'am.
You have not done its answer?
No, ma'am, ये वाला इसका blur आ रहा था, बाकी मुझे सब दिख रहा था.
Okay, he asked me if either of the applicants was suitable. Okay, instead of were, was should be there, was. Shine 1527 G part.
Yes, ma'am. Our happiness and sorrow are finally due to our expectations.
Okay, our happiness and sorrow. Beta dekho, when we read about subject verb agreement in it, it was written ki when there are two subjects. Okay, when the subject has two or more singular nouns and they belong, and the noun refers to the same thing or person. अब देखो subject में happiness and sorrow वो एक ही चीज को belong कर रहे हैं, तो are की जगह is will be there. Verb will be there. Okay, our happiness and sorrow is mainly due to our expectations. Aravrana 1309 H. Aravrana H part.
मैम जी पार्ट का क्या था?
Beta, instead of are, is will be there. Our happiness and sorrow is mainly due to our expectations. Yes, Aravrana, next beta. H.
Arabian Nights are still a favorite book.
Okay, correct it.
Yes, ma'am.
answer
The Arabian Nights.
Wait a minute,
The
beta.
Arabian
Yes,
Nights are still a favorite book. Ma'am, the Arabian Nights is. Ma'am, the Arabian Nights is still a favorite book.
Okay, beta. The Arabian Nights is still a favorite book. Okay. Arabian Nights. देखो how many कितनी books है? One book है. Only one book is there. So Arabian Nights are still a favorite book लिखा है. तो instead of are we will use is. Okay, क्यों? Book is one, singular, means subject and verb should agree. Subject singular है, एक है. Arabian Nights एक book है. The Arabian Nights is still a favorite book. Kriti 1251. Kriti 1251. Kriti. Always network issue is there. Ritesh Kumar 1257. Ritesh Kumar 1257. Ritesh. Okay, Priyanshi and Divyansh. Priyanshi and Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta, iPad.
Ma'am, many a man do not know his own good actions.
On, beta. On नहीं बोलना है. On. Many a man do not know his own good actions. Okay. Instead of man, M-A-N, you will write men. M-E-N, men. Okay. इसको ठीक कर. Do it. Many a man. Instead of man, M-A-N, M-E-N will be there. Now Divyansh.
Yes, ma'am.
J part. Divyansh will tell.
All All possible means has been tried.
Okay. Tried. Okay. What is the mistake? What is the error in this sentence? नहीं, read it बेटा, properly read it. क्योंकि पेपर ऐसे अगर आपको आया रीराइट इट, देन यू हैव टू पूरा लिखना है आपने. यू विल नॉट राइट दिस राइट द वर्ड इन विच एरर इज देयर. आप ये नहीं लिखोगे हैज डैश हैव, ऐसा नहीं लिखोगे. यू हैव टू राइट द होल सेंटेंस, पूरा सेंटेंस लिखना आपने. सो रीड आउट द होल सेंटेंस. क्या होगा ये? ऑल पॉसिबल मीन्स हैज बीन ट्राइड.
All
Yes, Divya.
possible,
All
All-
possible means.
all possible have been tried.
Okay, all possible means plural है, plural है ना. means हर एक ढंग, possible ढंग, means is written. तो has क्या I we you they plural के साथ what do we use? We use have. All possible means have been tried. Okay. Now Vanshika 1886.
Speaker बंद कर दे.
Don't be on mute mode, Priyanshi and Divyansh. Mute yourself. Yes, Vanshika.
Yes, ma'am.
Better next.
The woman who went to the function was what?
Now was is written. It means women should be. It should be a singular subject, and women are written here. Then what you will write instead of women, you will write woman. Okay, okay. W-O-M-N, women, or women is written. Then क्या लिखना है आपने? Woman. Now L, sorry, JKL. L, Akshita Rana. L.
Yes, ma'am. A pencil and an eraser makes life easy.
Okay, both belong to the same. Both belong to the same class. Then what we should use?
Ma'am, a pencil and an eraser make life easy.
Okay, क्योंकि pencil and eraser क्या हैं? Plural subjects दो हैं. तो what you will use? You will not add S and ES. तो आपने क्या किया? Yes, a pencil and eraser make life easy. Yes, बेटा.
मैम L repeat करना.
Okay. A pencil and okay. A pencil and an eraser plural है, दो चीजें हैं. तो but you will not add S and ES. तो आपने makes की जगह you will write make. A pencil and eraser make life easy. Okay. Yes. Now listen. Yes.
Ma'am
G part. Our happiness and sorrow is mainly due to our expectations. And now students, lesson number 5 is completed, revision is done. Now come to lesson number 6. Come to lesson number 6, okay? Now lesson number 6, wait a minute, beta, wait a minute, okay? Sejal, sorry, Sujal, 1322 Sujal, before the examination, please summarize this chapter. What is there in this chapter before the examinations? क्या है इस chapter में? Sujal. Abhimanyu 1252. Abhimanyu 1252. कृति 1251. कृति ऐसे मुझे तुम्हारा नेटवर्क ठीक लगता है और जब तुम आंसर देते हो तो why there is so much problem? ऐसे मुझे तुम ठीक लग रहे हो, मुझे लग नहीं रहा है कि तुम्हारा नेटवर्क इश्यू है. और ऐसे जब मैं आंसर पूछती हूँ तो तुम्हारी आवाज सुनाई नहीं देती है. रितेश कुमार, शिव ठाकुर, कैमरा बंद किए हैं मैडम, हम नहीं ऑन करेंगे. अंशिका डोगरे इज नॉट देयर. शिव ठाकुर. शिव ठाकुर.
Yes, ma'am.
राघव परमार, शिव ठाकुर, कैमरा बंद करके बैठे हैं। अभिनय आशीष, दिव्यांश, कैमरा बंद किए कि मैम क्वेश्चन कहीं पूछ ना ले। तुम्हें खुद चाहिए कि यस मैम हमसे पूछो। नाउ before the examination chapter we have read, okay, now its revision is there. Shiv Thakur, would you like to summarize it, what was in this chapter, what we have read in this chapter? क्या था इस चैप्टर में शिव ठाकुर? Don't read from your book. Book से read करके नहीं बताना, मुझे ऐसे बताओ what was in this chapter. और जो summarize, anyone who wants to summarize, हाँ, they please raise their hands. Those who wants to summarize, please raise your hands. Okay. Yes, Thakur, what was in this chapter?
Yes.
Before the examination.
मैम इसमें
Speak out.
मैम
Okay, you just tell me what before the examination is the story of P, Mani, Rajam or Shankar. Just tell me. It is a story of P, Mani, Rajam and Shankar. It is a story. Whose story it is? Before the examination, किसकी story है? P की, Mani, Rajam या Shankar की? Whose story it is? Very good, very good. बहुत intelligent है.
मैम स्वामीनाथन.
It is a story of Swaminathan. Shiv Thakur, I just gave it. किसकी story Shiv Thakur?
स्वामीनाथन.
It is a story of Swaminathan. His father and the main character is Swaminathan. Okay. Shiv Thakur, समझ में आया? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आज आया, अब हमें कब दिखाई देगा? 5 days के बाद. उसके बाद फिर एक दिन आएगा, फिर 5 days. Yes. Okay. Now, before the examination, first of all, I would summarize. After that, your turn will be there. Okay. Before the examination is written by, your chapter is written by R.K. Krishna Swami Nayyar. R.K. Narayanan. Okay. R.K. Narayanan, his full name was Rasipuram Krishna Swami Nayyar. The whole story is set in a South Indian town, and that is a fictional town, which it does not exist in reality. All the story is set in a South Indian town named Malgudi. Okay, South Indian ke town hai, its name is Malgudi. So the whole story revolves around that Malgudi place. This story is a story of Swaminathan. Okay, his exams were approaching. There were 2 weeks before the examination. The stories. There were 2 weeks for his examination, and it seemed to him that his father was changing. Okay, his father was becoming very worse. He was becoming very bad. Okay, always his father used to say, Swaminathan, go and do your studies. Okay, you should sleep. मतलब उसके father क्या थे, बहुत उसको बोलते रहते थे कि you should work hard, you should read, ऐसा बोलते रहते थे, you should study. Okay, and अब उसको बहुत embarrassed होता था. ठीक है, then he piped back. He answered back to his father that, Father, why are you so nervous? Okay, क्यों इतने nervous for my examination? अब उसके father बोलते, suppose you fail, तो वो बोलते कि no, I can't fail. ठीक है, ऐसी story है Swaminathan की. Then his friend Mani will come. To Mani, what does Mani क्या करता है? He bribes the clerk by giving brinjals. Okay, Mani and clerk का थोड़ा conversation is there. After that, Swaminathan, how he make a list for his examination, that is there. And in the last, we see that his list was torn by his father. Okay, and he got nothing. This was your story. Okay. Swaminathan's story. Okay, anyone from you who would like to summarize?
Ma'am, Arav
Arya?
Rana.
Okay, Arav Rana.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, before the exam, ma'am, in this story, ma'am, in this story, ma'am, there was a Swaminathan, ma'am, his exams were approaching just 2 weeks before the examination, ma'am, and he is feeling very nervous, ma'am. Swaminathan, ma'am, realized that his father was changing, ma'am, and he
Don't
was
read
become the.
Arav, sorry to say, but please don't read from your book, okay? Dialogue should not be from book. ऐसे सामने देखो. Look at your camera. Camera में देखो और just speak out, okay? बुक से रीड करके मत बताओ. बुक से रीड करके तुम्हें सब कुछ मिल जाएगा. आप ऐसे बताओ जो तुम्हें समझ में आता है. Say that. Don't read from your book.
Yes, ma'am, in this story, ma'am, there was a boy, ma'am, his name was Swaminathan, ma'am, his examination was approaching just for ma'am 2 weeks, ma'am. His father, ma'am, he thinking, ma'am, that his father was changing, ma'am, and ma'am his his friend Mani.
Mani P, Mani Shankar Rajam.
Ma'am, his friend Mani Shankar Rajam, ma'am, he said to him, ma'am, to the clerk to give the brinjals and.
No, sorry. Say this thing to the clerk to give brinjal, but he donned the steps of clerk. Okay. Then Mani went to clerk's home. Then
Yes,
then what happened? Then Mani went to.
Mani went to the clerk home, ma'am, and ma'am, he said, ma'am, to the clerk, ma'am, gave the ma'am, please give ma'am the question papers.
Okay, but he didn't ask about the question papers. He just asked about the hints. But please, sir, give me some hints about what is coming in the examination. Okay, he asked about the hints. Okay,
yes, ma'am, he asked the question to the clerk, ma'am, what is the come in the examination?
Okay, what is coming in the examination? Okay, very good, Arav Rana. Very good. Okay, then then Shranapal. Then what happened after that? What happened after that? Where Arav has dropped? Then what happened? Shrana, I'm asking you.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what happened? Arav Rana ne yahan tak he told the story. Then what happened? उसके बाद क्या हुआ था आरव? Akshay 1388, would you like to try? Akshay 1388, would you like to try? करोगे try या?
Ma'am, he says that you learn the all questions and
Okay. Very good. Then
you will pass.
Okay. Yes. Then after that. After that, Bitan, then what happened? Okay. फिर क्या हुआ? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? Then did he get any valuable hints from this clerk? Akshay,
No, ma'am.
did he? He didn't get. Okay. Then Garv. Okay, this happened. Okay, then he came back. Okay, then he talked with his friend Swaminathan and gave him some hints also about. Okay, Garv will tell me. When Swaminathan was making his list for examination, okay, then what देखो गर्व हंस रहा है, मजे से हंस रहा है. Very good. मैं गर्व से बोल रही हूँ और गर्व आगे पीछे देख रहा है. Okay, before the examination, come to its question answers. आज हो question answers में. First question for Ritesh Kumar. First question for Ritesh Kumar. Ritesh Kumar, read the first question को read करो. करो इसको read.
Ma'am, can I?
You can use your book, okay? Test is not going on. आप book use कर सकते हो. Now read out this question. First question, practice zone 1, question number first. Parth Verma, Sujal 1322. Sujal 1322. बस मुझे नाम ही लेते हो जाएगा, ना यस करनी ना नो करनी इन्होंने. Sujal 1322, question number first. One question number first. Arushi 2460.
Yes, ma'am. Describe the kind of person Swami was. Do you know anything like him? Answer. Swami is a school-going boy. He stays in Malgudi and belongs to a middle-class family. He is a carefree person. Yes, my friend Ram is exactly like him.
Or you can also write, yes, my friend Akshita Rana is like him, okay? Yes, okay. Yes, Diksha 3057. Good, Arushi. Diksha 3057. Diksha. Okay. Abhimanyu 1252. अभिमन्यु पता नहीं क्या बातें करता रहता है ये लड़का. अभिमन्यु 1252.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Abhimanyu.